Hi, sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
We are really happy that you are here with us, and such a person of eminence has visited our campus. It is a privilege for us, actually. And today we have Mr. Ramji, sir. Sir is he has been a general manager of Southeastern Railways, and after retirement, he worked in Botswana in South African Railways, and then he was also an advisor in Railway Institute of Technical Services. He has also been offered being a board member to be in Singapore-based Shamwang Sriram Group, and currently he has been visiting.
No,
a number of
that was
places.
that Sambhang was a very old story. It
But
was
still such an incredible story. So we would like to remember that. And today he has visited us as part of his teaching visit. And Asset Institute is really proud to have you here, sir. And you're a man of railways services and industrial safety, railway safety. And as Asset, we also offer technical courses in railway safety and industrial safety. So it's a pleasure to have you here, sir. And to begin with, please share us some of your uh, journey in life.
yeah, I have already. Firstly, thank you for receiving me with so much kindness, and I was, to be very frank, I am very impressed with the way in which you have started and you are running this institution.
Thank you.
The first thing that impressed me was the young team which is running the institution. They are full of enthusiasm, commitment. They want to do something for training people in areas where such training is not now available. There are institutions, many institutions, dealing with industrial safety, rail safety, logistics.
Yeah.
But we still recruit raw graduates in those areas because we are not able to get free availability of such trained people.
Yeah, the qualified ones are not there.
Qualified ones, properly qualified.
Properly qualified ones.
So we take any qualification
Yeah.
for that matter. A BA, BCom, BSc, whatever it is. That position has to slowly change. When such special institutions come, where specialized training is given, we don't need to take people who are not trained properly. So such training is very valuable, particularly in the field of logistics, in the field of safety, industrial safety, particularly rail safety. So I shared with your people some of my experiences
Yeah.
in rail safety
Rail
areas,
safety.
and it was a very useful discussion. And I'm sure that in due course you will be able to offer such training which is relevant
Yeah, sure, sir.
in those areas, so that when they go for jobs, those who recruit will know that this training is very valuable to them.
Yeah.
So in due course we should be able to get properly trained people for those slots
Yeah, sure, sir.
where we are not doing it now.
Exactly.
So that way you are contributing to a development of society.
Yeah.
I'm glad, as I said, that youngsters are doing it, and I wish you all good luck.
Our own CEO is a young man.
Yeah, all of the,
It's a young team, actually.
all the people whom I met are young, except me. The others are all young.
What about me, sir?
I think I should put you along with young people only.
That's true. That's true.
Compared to me, you are young, so there's no this thing. So it's good. It's good. It's a good. And I must also mention that the campus is very impressive.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Campus is very impressive. The classrooms are well equipped, and the library is good. Good books are available, and generally the atmosphere is a pleasant atmosphere,
Yeah.
and that should enable you to get more and more people joining the courses.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So I wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank
God
you.
help
Thanks
you.
a lot. And any institute that offers such kind of technical courses are actually of very small value. They remain in a very confined area now. But our institute offers a very big area. We are not any lesser than a regular
No,
course.
you are actually offering a very comprehensive
Yeah.
course for many activities, and those activities are requiring those courses. So I think if you update your syllabuses properly,
Yeah.
and if you are able to, as I said earlier, if you are able to offer such training as are required by the job givers,
Job givers, yes.
then there will be no problem for getting the slots.
Sure, sir. If you were to be here and spend with us just 2 days, you would recognize that the students are not only in the classrooms, but actually most of them are on the ground.
Yeah.
They'll be doing the
Yes,
practical works.
that's how it should be.
Practical learning.
That's how it should be. And such attempts have got a bright future. So we need them. The country needs them. I think we will be contributing a lot to the development
Thank
of
you,
the
sir.
country.
Thank you, sir.
It's good. It's a good atmosphere.
Just one last question. And this generation tends to go to very famous courses or popular courses. Most of them take one particular course, and there is a strong validation for such technical specific field courses like logistics and shipping, industrial safety, railway safety, and all. But still, there is not much awareness among students. And how do you see this trend, sir?
That's what I discussed. You have to reach the people. We are not doing enough to reach the people as to what you are really doing.
Yeah.
For instance, till today I did not know that there was an institute like this.
Yeah.
He brought me, then I came to know. So similarly, you are not aware of who are the institutes that are giving special training, say in railway safety, in railway development. I'm taking one area, logistics and all that.
Logistics.
So there is need for appropriate publicity. So if you publicize through different media and reach the people, then only they will know you are doing this thing.
Yeah. And,
As I said, I myself did not know,
Yeah.
and maybe I am not one of those who are actively in this field. But those actively in this field also will not know that there is an institute like this, it is situated giving training in
Yeah.
this matter. You should reach the people. That is the job of the institute itself.
Sure. We are actually, fortunately, we are trying to reach out to a lot of people.
You have to reach
Yeah.
out.
And Asset has been also rated as one of the top institutes.
We talked about it today,
Yeah.
and I think there was a very good reaction from the people who are running this institute that they should do a lot in that area. That's an area where we have to work. And we have to work and reach the people, and they should all know that there is something institute like this which is training in this thing. And to the extent possible, this is only a suggestion, make it reasonable.
Yeah.
That is, there are institutes which are very expensive. So if the institutes become very expensive for special training, it may not attract people. So you should make it reasonable. You should make it affordable.
Yeah, sure.
So if you give such training in an affordable way, I'm sure you will get the results.
Sure, sir. We are working on it. And,
Yeah, please do work
yeah,
on it.
definitely, sir.
Yeah.
And what kind of career opportunities are there in this kind of railway safety, railways?
Plenty. For example, the railway is a very developing area, and more services are coming up. Specialized services are coming up. For instance, now the metro services, they are now coming up all over the country. Containers. Earlier we were not having so many container services. Container is a worldwide concept, and a lot of container trains are being run. It's a specialized area. Then there are areas in which you are running prestigious trains, like Shatabdi, Rajdhani and all these trains. So there are enough opportunities, and development, the country is going on the right track for development. So I don't see any problem in the opportunities. The problem is really to give the right man for the right job.
Exactly.
So if you are providing the right man for the right job, those activities will also get a good boost.
Yeah. I think-
People will get the benefit.
Yeah, people are aware about the railways exams and all, but then such courses are designed to get into railways that they are not aware.
Yeah,
So
they
I
are
think
not
we'll
aware.
have to get
There are courses which somebody else also is running.
yeah,
But as I said, enough publicity needs
Yeah,
to be
yeah.
given. Suitable publicity should be given. Yeah.
that's true, sir.
Anyway, thank you.
Yeah,
for
sure,
this.
sir, sure. It's a pleasure for all of us.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing your experience. with
Thank
us.
you for receiving me and
Thank
thank
you.
you for talking to me.
Thank you, sir.